Oh my God. Huh. I know we've been talking about this, but why is planning for vacation more stressful than the vacation itself? Did I
Why?
say that right? Than going on vacation.
That sounded kind of good.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You get my right? Because like, oh my God, I'm thinking about the Tupperware, making Jesse, some meals like we always do. and and but doing it better than we've done because usually we leave them like a pot. Well, we've never left for more than 2 weeks, so it's going to be a little over 2 weeks,
Yeah.
like 2.5 weeks. It's only been for like I think 4 or 5 days at the most, something like that. Usually like a Vegas trip, 4 days or something. But looking at the Tupperware because we're gonna do like individual meals instead of just leaving a pot of spaghetti and or like the enchilada casserole, which is our two favorite things to leave him. He's like knows he's gonna get one of those. That now I'm like, okay, do we have the Tupperware to do this? Oh, do we have the suitcase? Honey, do we have the suitcase for Mercedes? I meant
Oh
to ask you.
shit! I forgot.
Oh my God,
Oops!
we have to
I
go get
forgot.
one.
Oh my goodness gracious me!
How can you
I gotta
forget?
get spanked for that one because I forgot about that. She
She,
bugged me about it last week, and I forgot.
yeah,
Can
you're
you
supposed to.
believe that I forgot? Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
better go check that right after this 5 minute video because I know I have one. She's got
Hmm.
one. Mercedes probably needs like four because she's a 20. How old is she now? 22?
Rude. She
Oh,
probably does better than me because she's so chill. My
yeah.
daughter is so chill. It's so
Yeah. She
crazy.
probably wear the same freaking shorts all the week and shit.
And you can't even take credit for that. You might be more you I don't even know if you're more chill than me. That the longer I know you, the more I call BS on that. But
Yeah.
anyways, back to vacation.
Um.
Yeah, so I know it's
Shit. I
like
better look for that
we leave
suitcase.
next Saturday. And I've been doing all these little things and preps and things. And but it's like today I got more travel stuff. I'm like, man, we need some freaking hair gel. So I got some of that at CVS.
I
As
need.
I bugged them, I had to go in there in person to bug them about my thyroid medication. Because it's not funny.
I
What the
know. I
hell is that
understand.
about? What the hell does that
I
mean?
need more chonies and more socks. That's all I care about. I need more chonies and I need some more socks. Okay.
You don't want to do
Because
laundry?
I got holes in my choners and I got holes in my
I
socks.
thought you said that was what do you call it? The Brazilian technique or the air
No,
conditioning, built-in
you
air
don't listen
conditioning?
to me like you.
I
Women,
did
women.
too.
Uh,
Okay,
for all you
give it.
husbands out there, does your wife ever listen to you?
Wow.
No, only sometimes. Because I call it the French European look with a hole in the tip of your socks. Okay? So for some reason, I don't know why she called
What's
it
the
Brazil. I don't know what she. I think she's talking about the Brazilian, the Brazilian, thingy. That's what she's talking about.
Oh, the thing you keep wanting to try?
Yeah. No, but
uh,
talk about planning our trip. That's stressful. It is. You gotta we're gonna be gone for a long time. Dang.
we have never done a vacation like that ever.
Nah, not and
And it's weird leaving the kids. We feel like, because you know what? When we're here, we know everything will be okay because we can figure it out. At this point, when we're gone,
sabroso. Mm-hmm.
like
But this is
we have
long.
lots of we have family here, but it's just not the same as us being here because we know we will handle anything.
We usually have a couple kids here, pretty much can
Oh
handle
yeah,
everything, but not this time.
yeah, that's weird.
Yeah,
We're down. Yeah, that's
the kids
crazy.
have moved out and gone in their own ways, and it's a little bit different, so a little bit more
It is
stressful.
weird.
But we got it taken care of. Stressful,
We
but
got this.
once we're on the avion flying overseas and shit, it's
Oh
gonna be the
man.
shiznit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna speak like 5 languages when I go there.
I
I'm
think
gonna
we're
speak.
going to be visiting like, did I count 7 countries? I think 7 different countries.
Damn, that's a lot. And we're gonna go to the Coliseum.
Like big countries. Like we're
Yeah.
gonna, or I don't even know if that's what I call them. Now I'm feeling like I don't know what I'm talking about.
I'm gonna go back to I was in Gladiator, the movie. Remember, I was in there. I was like a backup, a double. Okay, I was in the background, in the corner somewhere, but
What?
I'm going back to the Coliseum where they filmed Gladiator.
I was the one being beheaded for my progressive views, like that. Whatever show that was. Maybe that is
That's
Aurelius.
funny.
That's back to Caesar. Um, About whatever movie
Yeah,
we
but we're
did.
gonna be gone for a while. Yeah, we're gonna be gone for a while. It's stressful, huh, honey? Planning vacations.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and just like, what are you forgetting? What's the most important thing? Because you
we
always
always
forget
forget
shit.
something. We both of us always forget something that's
No
important.
matter
Yeah.
how good I am, and then I know,
The
Sarah always
checklist.
tells me make a checklist. But then guess what? You have it, and guess what? Like where did I go? Oklahoma or wherever? I forgot my dang water shoes, and it wasn't Oklahoma. It's when we went to Kern
You
River.
forgot your freaking bathing
Kern
suit. I had to
River.
mail it when you were
No,
over
but
there.
you don't go to Oklahoma and think of a bathing. Well, I mean, you could. They have lakes.
They have lakes and rivers,
But I was going like winter. That wasn't it.
and they
But no,
have
remember when we
swimming
went to Kern
pools,
River to
hot
whitewater raft?
tubs.
Remember whitewater raft? My
I just
water
mailed. I
shoes
just
didn't
mailed your
make it.
damn bathing suit. Oh fucking! I don't know what trip it was. What trip was it? Remember I had to mail your bathing suit somewhere? Just
Oh,
recently. What was that?
yeah, that's when
Uh huh.
yeah,
You forget?
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, because I wasn't thinking of swimming in Oklahoma in the winter, I forgot I was going to Florida for, like a week and during that time. And it was amaze balls. So I forgot that. Okay. And my luggage was plumb full.
I think the worst thing about packing when you travel is when you are putting stuff in your suitcase. You know you're off, and then your wife like gives you a wedgie or something, or pokes you in the butt, like because you're bent over.
Oh, that's the best.
You know, and then you're like
He
trying
hates
to
that.
focus on what you're
I
doing
love
because
to tweak his nipple
mind,
and
yeah,
finger in the butt.
or finger in the ear, and then
Oh my God. That's classic for
you're
me.
trying to focus, and then you leave the shit on the bed or on the freaking shelf, or
Okay,
and then you
wait.
go and then you arrive on your trip and you forget that freaking item that was the most important thing out
He
of all the
is
things.
blaming that on me
Mm-mm.
and my finger in the butt or
My lack
ear
of
or
concentration.
tweaking the nip.
Yeah.
Tune in Tokyo.
Yeah.
He don't like that. I thought everybody liked that.
You don't
No,
like it
I
when I
don't
do
like
that
that. I
either.
know. I
You get all
know.
pissed off. Like
You don't got anything. Like, come on, what's happening?
you get all mad when I do that shit.
But it doesn't even do anything to
That's when
you.
it come behind.
It's just
Finger in the butt. Finger in the butt.
that one's the best.
She
And the more
flies.
he hates it, the more I like it. That's
Yeah,
so
she loves to
mean.
piss me off.
That's evil. No,
She
it's
loves
just
to annoy. She loves to annoy the shit out of me, especially when I'm in bed.
marriage is what is it? What is that saying about the person you want to annoy for the rest of your life?
She says I'm really annoying. I have no idea why I'm annoying. I still can't understand
What's
that.
up with your
She
hat?
says I'm freaking annoying. Can you believe that, guys? I'm an annoying person. Can you believe that? I just don't know where that comes from, but I am. I guess I am. My kids say I'm annoying too, so yeah, I guess I'm fucking annoying.
You're awesome too, babe. We're all annoying in our ways. I know it's hard to believe that I am, but I'm awesome. I'm awesome and I know it. Okay.
Like,
Um,
that's really
see, that's annoying. Get
annoying. You
out.
notice I didn't say anything. So you want to fight?
Fight me.
Fight me. I'll kick your ass.
Okay. We're way over time again. It's
Oh,
okay. I think it's the 5-ish
okay.
kind of a thing.
Oh, traveling.
But yeah, no, but we're good. We're just here to shoot the breeze.
We're
But
stressed.
hey, you know what I would love? So I already got a good recommendation from someone, and thank you very much for that, for a great excursion from a sommelier that is a food, culinary wine experience, which was considered the highlight of their entire delicious celebrity cruise.
Just kidding.
He lies.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
like that.
Yeah.
And I'm like, and everything was fabulous on it, by the way. So I'm like, that's the kind of recommendation you want. That's the kind. Okay. So just real quick. You better fucking not. Okay. So no, I'm trying to be serious. Give me a second. Don't do that. That's what I do.
Okay.
I do that. The wet willy is my thing, but I can't finish if you don't
Okay.
stop it. You make me nervous.
Sorry.
Okay,
That's
so seriously, if you guys have any recommendations, Mediterranean cruise,
Throw
so
us some
from
bones.
Rome
Yeah.
to the Aegean. So we're, going to kind of
Santorini.
just explore the areas. We're not looking too much to do a bunch of excursions. We want to do this a kind of different style. It's going to be us two with our daughter Mercedes and her good friend Lexi, who we love.
Shit, pain in the ass. Just kidding. I hope her mom and dad don't hear this. She's great.
They're
We've known her forever.
awesome.
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah, they're
They're the
awesome.
best buds.
And it used to be their soccer coach,
Yes, I coached them for. No, I didn't coach.
right, Lexi?
I didn't coach her. No, she didn't play on my team. Nope.
Was she volleyball?
She was volleyball. Yeah.
Volleyball. Lexi
Yeah.
was volleyball.
She
Volleyball, right?
played on.
Anyway.
She played on the enemy on the other team. Yeah.
Anyway,
But
again, we digress.
yeah. So yeah.
So if you have any recommendations, we would love to hear that. And yeah, I think that's that about, yeah, anything you want to share, we're all ears. Okay. But until then, go make some memories. Say bye, fool.